There is something that I've been thinking about for some time now. Which part of the car is very expensive or is more expensive, more costly in terms of its purchase or in terms of its repair? If you want to buy it or purchase it, it's very expensive. And if you want to repair it too, it's also very expensive. So among the parts of the car, which one is more expensive? The underlying factor is more expensive. So which part of the car is more expensive? And when you want to repair it, when you want to repair it too, it's very expensive. I believe some of these questions will actually help us to be aware of our cars in terms of its maintenance. You see, especially its routine maintenance, things that we have to do regularly so that we can maintain our cars and then we can also use the cars for a long time. You see, which part of the car is much more expensive, very expensive in terms of its purchase and in terms of its repair.